for Messanso Amao Atanasi say Wajibrena with Timothy Attention TV. Yajumadi Ahodwa Yadema or Microgram Gan Africa, and you are seen as a whole. Medino Namesa Abrompa Belmayo. Nansana Meshasi and the Messer and say, Shao Shano, and we have a pa, Yanamisho, what to me, Ashe. One half for Ente and the pa, Yabo Edema. And as somebody will come more and say, who share on my gun at you? Your buy and cassie in one. If you didn't could do a mabunus on a subby, one tardy shim, a quaby or one cassayim, I didn't minka. One antim, inquiry diuno, as a subby. Baby, na eka, set Mante or Motene or Mosa, and now our four, and intimate commasem. Ebisuka, says Sukua Wumpo and a young could I say. Nini now, for example, a tia. Our four, and they say. Yen first workers young mouth for his son say charity they say begins at home. Akwada bia so be yedin a ne kase no refifi ntie fa so mbo no emmo awofo nyese ye kan su people ne mum ye ka amana kwensa na ho bi say yen fa so mbo no emmo awofo enen kwada ma so yedin nyame nkwana medi nkwana me ne wo ne mum mensaka menu aba okunini a wa ben wa kwadre ba ye nin komo efa wo nipa abra bo titunu kwada de a wa widere wuye pa akosua sparkles eni din ofidiem ha ya ne ne matuma ko chinchini akopɛ no edna ba se wo mmra so na yembisa se yemfo sombo no emma awofo should parents blamed for the indiscipline among the youth yemfa sombo no mo na metwa ba sisi an papa ni akokosua nchen na etimi edi nkomo kame ho emma madam ho ba so amo akwaba ene atenase so da wase pa se channels no so wafa se woni eye Attention TV ene be kuma YouTube live ena ye we na me fa se dem odu emma the altar mature madi ese pa Queen Varsity Foundation fan kwada mabunu mmerewa wana said woni bi nyina na wo mo ade wo di huduma ede bo pa betima frɛ na enwo bi a wo hia bia na wotimi atimi ahwɛ de amount 0548302985 bibi atimi akɔ enkan ba ko so ba kaminsa yenkudi nkɔmɔ na yɛhwɛ ɔba tuntum dopo yɛntwe ko yawa
nyameba
okɔde ho so ayɛ
meda sonzo so ayɛ
wa no ayɛ fɛ
ai mesheda
o ya ba ta na ze wunya nwoye
minya nwoye nanso mesia di kakra afa abatan dem
na we no ma no so no fi so wo sim yo sa so kodan hu
besanso hu de ko so me de nkofo so kasa efa parenting no
okay o hwe mo type ladies some na na dressing no ekose
oh just need there and e be kasa se titini pa ehu yen ladies no dressing na obet titini kasa ase yen tie ye ase se yen se world no e wo 21st century say I say sebi jimia na ye jimi e wo wiase mo ha e dey ntina abaiwa e be hye atare a mesre hu dogu o nufu dogu o enye sa ye hu ni say e 21st century na e first no na akwa say enibie eni ho enti 21st century ye di enibie aba enti akwa say wo dress kra na say one expose your body a
pamo adaje bia ma
you are lacking you are not in the 21st
and none the youth in
that is what the youth is saying sana ye youth
and you tell yamra yasem no so yesi yem fa so bo kese pa emma awofo se omuni wuni se akoda no the first and immediate family no e ya busuana na se awofo no enti bi se ikosa na you should blame the parents. Say na work afam.
Okay, so na make more work afam me say this baby no me je be blame parents. You bet na blame parents. Baby so you blame parents. Then there will be a more has say Nyankopon so na dia me kan Nyankopon obo obia na ne sesu nya obetia ye enya enti na nya wuti we ade bi how obetia ye mintimi ye
Sure.
ade bi amusu metia ye wo mintimi ye eno ana Nyankopon e fe ne ability Nyankopon da so ye enti parent ability to control a child sometimes beyond only parents no akole ko ba although ya wono ye tia na ye bono na so ye
No, did you say beyond parent control?
yeah
Should it be
most of the times no so na me kan ye no ebi ya ware for we've given birth okay ana ye wo ye no ye ba no okay we are not cool we are cool ye ba na ye wo no ebi a ye wo no ono mum na ye wayward
okay.
that child obetimi abo no said den okase ma ne nkwa ase ya oho na owo bisa no so ofiba
Okay.
you know what I'm saying
Yeah.
enti akoye say eye bibia ye bo obia Yakopon edimo obia on say parents be wa obetimi aka say akole de ne papa kra mpekasa ne mama mpekasa na adentina or to say
Okay.
me de me ho be example mama mpekasa sa me hwa onye gidigidi me papa so onye gidigidi ba me sana me akola boni e bia obeka say mama nko no ho na me fiba
Until one doesn't mean so parents na ntia wana.
no for that na me ka say sometimes you blame the parents sometimes you blame the parents because it dependi e wa akola no because parents ni ye ni obetimi bia when they tell me not to go somewhere ho na me fiba when they tell me sano na me call DHS kwa na me for mango dia kwoti mango
Okay.
me name ma na eko me name ma nko me name ma na eko so you can imagine agra e mema ebedi na me oba na yesi ma me nko no ho na me fiba
Me never memoir. I'm not saying you're defending a parent too. But I say o mama ya wo papa o mu ofie wo ba okofro mango. That time no, not parents anyway. They no more kai out in Kofobia.
in America no now we have parents who are workaholic
Okay.
omo ye juma parents be fifie 4 am akolada na wasan be fie 10 pm enene nansa me pon ejuma me kofie kan na metimu no meaning say ma me no oye ejuma day and night
Okay.
upon night oko day ya akola na ihu no oba night na okoso akola na ihu no otikie mu na ofre obisa se akola keto na wo mu no osu ana amo say aso osu ona oji phone no ana I say okoko no ka chane say oh meja khalipo meja biscuit won say the whole day me hu won say the whole day why say into the channel pa me bom modern say ubegu mi antina makosku sankola be say you leave them to what they want to do they are alone enti sanka youth be won be 16 17 wako join bad peer group wako join bad friends ohonum na friend ne beka say oh Charlie me ko ha say you so ma me kra ni ho
Yeah.
you get it enti sometime no
That's home free.
so home free enti so come ma me ni ho yenkoi you know me say me to he edu be na my father and my mom was workaholic enti edu baby me nko school o ma just ka say yenko me nko minim tam on beba enti sa time you know
Dressed to be there.
I'm home like a student.
Okay.
And sometimes no, it's from the parents, but we have parents who are also disciplined, although they are not home, but they make sure that the children are doing what they are supposed to do.
That is it. Because it can be better say parents are here workaholic. Send your work one thing I will better.
You see, in Ghana here, we say illiterates are more than illiterates are more than literate. Yeah. Okay, and maybe I want to go school. She doesn't know books. She doesn't know how to speak English. Like she lacks a little bit of something. Ni workaholic things no. Any akolano krano and say when you go to Accra, you get parents who sell cakes in the night, and you see their children playing behind them, in which their minds are not on the child, but their minds are on what they are selling. Obi or card the becachins, Emma, own show, but not say, go jai. Until my busy, into Jania, we are no, I know, trying to sit on our planets, no, somebody, or tone. I can say sometimes the parent doesn't get time for the kids.
And I'm because it shouldn't be that.
It shouldn't be that, but you know, some, in Ghana here, no, some of you are complaining, no, Ghana, when you don't work and you put your hands, school fees wired. Every child is supposed to be educated. in outside no akoye say one educate to child a crown, but Ghana has said no one is there is no law, but obia try even illiterate and those who are not illiterate, the rich and poor, the poorer and the richest are also training their kids. Into akoye say onya hwenye na akwala tifia obi so ho ni say akwala tifia e man yes stubborn. Into no need any say so unhia obi da me share akwala oko school point 3 pen or befield eduane sifio odibia also for classes.
Sure.
Parents have a final classes. This parent is trying to make sure that this child is being trained very well. Close from school, go to classes. That is your book. But sometimes too, the books doesn't help the child. Because we do maybe I was say a relaxing brain. The child has come from school, maybe you go school 7.
Yeah.
He has spent hours in school, although there was break time, he will play.
Yeah.
But obefia was say rest be.
Sure.
And the parents say when you fear. Sometimes it's the parents, sometimes not the parents. When you fear, you are supposed to sit the child down. Oh, Kojo, when him say school now open no. I was saying me ye juana wuniska. But Mr. I call a bonus, certainly a young call a bonus and saying a tiny. Because the parents knew say we are illiterate. My aunt she or nine and butter.
Good. In the Gameba was say time my young man is a factor.
Yeah.
Is a younger communication. It should be a communication at home.
So lack of communication at home no son won. And also a part because they say no, youth na yabano. Yeah, Felicity everything we should be able to tell our parents. Even if a lady me boom myself for the first time, I'm supposed to go, have maybe son doesn't listen to the children. I say, ma, and I miss we are collaborating. You get it? So I know a family who